Discover Hungarian cuisine with 8 different tastings of authentic, mouth-watering specialties during a guided walking tour through the heart of downtown Pest and the Jewish Quarter. A foodie revolution has swept through the city in recent years and brought with it Michelin star gourmet restaurants, reinvented market halls, street vendors, and elegant cafes and quirky food trucks. On the Eat Hungary tour, not only do you get a perfect day of eating with the help of a knowledgeable local guide, but you'll also learn a little about Hungarian history, traditions, and culture along the way. We take you off the beaten track to local eateries and shops not frequented by all the regular tourists. The tour begins at the City Rama office with stops at Belvárosi Piac, the downtown market hall on Hold Utca, local bookshop, cheese shop, traditional restaurants, and finally a neighbourhood pub for a taste of local beer or wine.